You see him? Right there. Where'd he go? I just had him. Oh, I see him. Where are you at? Come on. I'm gonna find you. You see him? Zoom out real quick so I can show you. Look at him. All the way up there. Boy, you sure I getting to the top of that tree? I think he's on the hunt for a bird. Oh, no, it's a squirrel. Oh, no, it's a bird. In fact, that birdie is right there. If you can see it. So he's right here. And the bird's right there. There we go. El Desperado. Once more, kids. We see how high the tree is. Okay, I don't want to look at your ass. That's my baby. Chiba. I got you on camera. I got you on camera. I got my baby on camera. On my baby. I got my baby. Yeah, he's like, come on, Mom. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Okay, where are you leading me? Oh, so then you bump your head on your noggin? You gonna bump your noggin? I'm gonna go over here. And he's like, okay, eating time.